From the heart of Swedish innovation, where material science meets precision engineering. At Aerobase, we don't just test materials, we decode them, transforming laboratory data into calibrated simulations that engineers trust. SafeLight, Phases, AeroFEM Cloud, Calibre. Each tool is designed to help you design parts that are safer and lighter. Across automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing, we bridge the gap between simulation and reality. From our facilities in Luleå and Trollhättan, we deliver more than models. We deliver confidence, cut prototypes, raise performance, build the future. Aerobase, advanced simulation for advanced engineering. SafeLight predicts material failure with unmatched accuracy, right through post-buckling for automotive components. We account for stress triaxiality, element size dependence, and actual thermomechanical processing. Our innovative approach combines deterministic models with probabilistic scatter analysis. For aluminum high-pressure die-cast components, SafeLight manages complex microstructures, skin core gradients, porosity, and local property maps. We deliver reliability-based allowables with quantified confidence levels. The advantage: lighter structures, validated safety, fewer physical tests for production. SafeLight, where advanced simulation meets manufacturing reality. Phases predict microstructure evolution during hot forming and additive manufacturing, including grain size, precipitation, phase fractions, plastic strain, and damage. Those physics flow straight into performance and crash models, and pair with SafeLight for true forming-to-crash consistency. The result: you co-optimize process parameters and part performance on one material backbone. New, a natural language copilot. Tell it the alloy, heat treatment, forming path, and constraints in plain English. It builds the simulation inputs, suggests test matrices, and outputs solver-ready decks and reports. Faster setup, fewer handoffs, and models that reflect how your material was made. AeroFEM Dynamics lets designers or engineers simulate smash and grab and blast loads on windows and doors. Set up impact or pressure time scenarios, assign laminated glass and frame materials, and run high-fidelity damage and fragmentation models to see deflection, fragment retention, and residual capacity. Swap configurations fast, glass thickness, interlayers, frames, fixings, and compare results side by side with automatic reports. Run it on your workstation or burst to the cloud for heavier cases. Share studies with teammates and version everything. It's the quickest way to design lighter, safer glazing systems and metal doors with confidence, powered by Aerobase physics. AeroCRAFT is our additive manufacturing process twin for PBF and DED. It couples heat transfer, fluid flow, and mechanics with deep reinforcement learning to predict melt pool shape, microstructure, residual stresses, and distortion layer by layer. Give it your alloy, scan path, and machine envelope. AeroCRAFT then tunes power, speed, hatch, and supports to hit target density and minimize warp automatically. Swap strategies in seconds, compare build outcomes, and export compensated geometries and qualified parameters. Result: faster process development, fewer trial builds, and first-time right parts for titanium, steel, aluminium, and nickel alloys, on your workstation or in the cloud. Calibre turns testing into trustworthy parameters. We plan the test matrix, machine specimens, run the experiments at our partner labs, and perform inverse calibration and validation, all in one workflow. You get traceable, production-ready model cards that drop straight into your solver, cutting weeks from parameter identification and removing guesswork from correlation. Our support team embeds with yours to integrate libraries, set up automated pipelines, and interpret results correctly. We help you get from it runs to it predicts, with onboarding, model deployment, and engineering services tailored to your solver stack and program milestones. We're active across 6 Horizon Europe consortia. FlexCrash develops green aluminum, crash-tolerant structures for lighter vehicles. Restore advances circular remanufacturing with laser cladding, DED, and digital tools. Alabama adapts laser beams for multi-laser DED to cut porosity and tailor microstructure. UPBeat builds uncertainty quantification methods for safer aerostructures. GearUp targets sustainable AM across PBF, DED, and reinforced polymer extrusion. And SYSMA models trace element effects to enable 100% scrap-based steels in mass-market parts. Aerobase contributes the physics-based material and process models that connect lab, manufacturing, and performance.